चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
First of all, thank you very much for speaking to the Republic TV, sir. I want to know from you that how many passengers were there in the bogies when these bogies, namely D3 to D4, caught fire?
As per the law, about 1500 passengers were booked in this train, and the train was running exceptionally late. This train leaves early morning about 7 o'clock from New Delhi, but today it left at about.
Okay.
And it caught fire in Okla, and D3 coach, non-AC chair car coach, caught fire between Okla and TKD. And luckily, none of the passengers got injured, got burned, or their luggages were damaged. And the fire was controlled immediately. Fire brigade also came. Staff on the train also acted promptly. They decoupled the coaches.
I want to just understand from you, sir, that how many passengers were there in the bogies when the bogie actually caught fire?
The bogie was full.
The bogie
was full, yeah.
Okay, so can I say it was a lucky escape?
Yeah,
Because
it was a lucky escape, and not a single passenger got injured, minor injury also, and none of the luggage were also damaged.
That's
It's a
what,
lucky,
that's what.
yeah.
But I want to understand from you, sir, that what actually was the reason of this fire? Because these accidents in railways does, pose a concern.
Yeah, definitely, it's a pose a concern, and when we are in the business of taking passenger and goods, it's our duty to see that they are safely taken. We are now investigating why the fire caused, from which side the fire came. So we are just investigating. It will take some time.
My last question to you is that these passengers who were there in that bogie which caught fire, now they are still going to be there? Going to be...
The train you might have seen, that entire train has been now sent to TKD. TKD will cut the 3 bogies which had caught fire.
TKD means, sir?
Tughlakabad.
Okay.
Next station is Tughlakabad.
Okay.
This fire incident took place between Okla and Tughlakabad.
Okay.
So the train will go to Tughlakabad. 3 coaches which has caught fire will segregate it, keep it on a different line, because now investigation has to go. We'll have to do
This
forensic.
investigation going to be conducted by the railways or also by the other
We will conduct, railways will conduct it, but we'll have to take a forensic opinion also, because the cause of fire needs to be established. So all these things will be done, and the remaining train will go for its destination.
Thank you so much. As you can see from the visuals over here, you can see the impact of the fire which would have been caused in this bogie, the Taj Express. While I'm speaking to you, you can see from the visuals that have been given to you by my video journalist Vijay Yashpal Sani ji, that how the seats of this has been completely burnt. The seats has been completely burnt, and you can see that not only this coach but coaches subsequently moving from D2 to D4 have been completely charged. You can see from the exclusive visuals that have been given to you by my video journalist Vijay Saini ji that how this impact of fire has resulted in 4 bogies of the Taj Express being completely burned. These exclusive visuals that are being presented to you by my video journalist. Now, what exactly caused this fire? What was the reason of this fire is being ascertained. But you can understand that it was a narrow escape for the passengers over here, as you can understand the impact of the fire. It seems that there was a kind of a short circuit, and while I speak, we have been asked to move out of this bogie, so you can understand that what was the reason. And the impact of this fire was indeed quite great, quite risky, as you can see from the visuals, as all the seats over here have been completely charred. And the reason of this, as what we have been told by the sources, is due to short circuit. The impact could have been much worse, impact could have been much higher. However, the timely intervention by authorities and definitely some divine intervention resulted in this tragedy.
बहुत हो गया.
Escape. So yes, definitely
ये जा रही है, गाड़ी चल रही है.
now
खत्म कर.
the impact of this fire is being ascertained, but yes, a lucky escape indeed for the passengers. Reporting for Republic TV, this is Piyush Ohri.